Well, hello again, folks. It's your gobble, gobble, gobble happy Hyundai Thanksgiving turkey right here at Texoma Hyundai with a whole bunch of gobble, gobble, gobble-rific deals on a new Hyundai from your best dealer in the entire Texoma land area, TexomaHyundai.com. Feast your eyes on this beautiful Eco Hyundai Elantra, just $17,999. Hold on to your drumsticks, buddy. I'm telling you, you can get the same Eco Hyundai Elantra with 0% financing for 72 months. That's 6 years with no interest for $18,999. Only at Texoma Hyundai in Sherman. Woo-wee, that's a delicious deal. Look at this Sonata SE, brand new, loaded to the hilt for just $17,999. Woo! Nobody can beat that. That's gonna really ruffle the feathers of them competition boys up in Oklahoma and down in Dallas. They're pulling their wishbones, wishing they could make a deal like that. I'm telling you, you'll be feasting on these deals, and that's a Sonata SE with all the fixings, brother. $17,999 on a new Sonata SE. Brother, you can't beat that deal with a drumstick. And are you ready for a delicious dessert? I'm talking about Hyundai Assurance. Brother, that is a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty on every one of these beautiful Hyundais. That's gonna really ruffle the feathers of the competition. Oh boy, Hyundai Assurance, that's a tasty, tasty treat. I'm telling you. Now let's just feast our eyes on this beautiful table setting of offers right here at Texoma Hyundai. And I'm telling you, I'm seeing a pattern, folks. There's a new Elantra GT for $17,999. There's a Sonata for $17,999. And there's the Elantra Eco for $17,999. Folks, all these beautiful Hyundais are just $17,999 now at Texoma Hyundai. And folks, that Hyundai GT Elantra, oh boy, that's got some serious stuffing. I'm telling you, it's stuffed with Bluetooth, backup cameras, and one of the most amazing sound systems you'll ever hear. In fact, it's gonna part the feathers on your head. Now, folks, I got a question for you. Am I a chicken or am I a turkey? Well, I'm not going to tell you, folks. You're going to have to figure that one out for yourself. But let me ask you this question. Are you feeling chicken about your credit? Well, don't worry about your credit, folks. We can help you at Texoma Hyundai. No need to be a chicken. We're not going to roast you. We're going to get you the credit you deserve today, folks. That's right. Gobble up the deals, baby, and then get the credit you need right here at Texoma Hyundai. TexomaHyundai.com. Woo! Hey, have you heard about the new Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid Blue? It gets 59 highway miles per gallon. That's 59 miles per gallon on the highway. And it's only $22,499 at Texoma Hyundai today. And you can buy this beautiful car with 0% for 60 months. That's for 5 full years with no interest. Now, you can't beat that with a drumstick. Well, okay, folks, we've had a great time, haven't we? And we've had a really big feast. Don't wait another minute. Give us a call, get in your car, drive down. We'll take your trade. We'll give you the credit you need. All we need is you right here in this dealership to make that purchase. So come on down, TexomaHyundai.com, Texoma Hyundai in Sherman on Texoma Parkway.